Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Dear viewers, today I am going to tell you about a new feature that has been launched in WhatsApp. Dear viewers, before telling about the detail of this feature, I would ask you to recall the history of WhatsApp. Dear viewers, WhatsApp was developed in 2009 by the former two employees of Yahoo, and their name was John Combe and Brian Acton. So these two employees developed the WhatsApp. Initially, these two employees made the WhatsApp free, but when they observed that their application is growing fast, so these two employees made the WhatsApp paid. But all of you know that in 2014, WhatsApp was purchased by Facebook. Now Facebook is the owner of this application. So Facebook has made this application free for all the users. Everyone from you people know that Facebook has introduced major development in WhatsApp. Dear viewers, what are those major development that has been introduced for Facebook? And those are audio conferencing, video conferencing. Dear viewers, now you can make audio and video conferencing by using the WhatsApp application. But this is not my topic. Today I am going to tell you about a new feature that has been recently launched in the month of November 2020, and that is auto delete or auto disappear message. Facebook has recently announced that now this feature will be available if you people installed a new version of WhatsApp. So dear viewers, if you observe the previous changes, previous development that has been made in WhatsApp, all of you will find the advantages of those feature. But this feature auto delete or auto disappear message has both advantages and disadvantages. So dear viewers, if you people are installing the new version of WhatsApp, you people will find this feature of auto delete or auto disappear message. What is this function? This function will delete your message after some days. This function will disappear your message after some days. Dear viewers, so advantage of this feature is that you will find the memory of your mobile empty, and the disadvantage of this feature is that you people may lose important message of your individual. People may lose important message of your group. So this is the disadvantage of this feature. So dear viewers, be careful if you are installing the new version of WhatsApp. So this feature will be available in new version. Dear viewers, from everyone, from all of you people have two type of contacts. One is individual contacts and the second is group contacts. So this option will be available in both individual and group contacts. So be careful by using this option. Dear viewers, still it Dear viewers, still it is not known either this function will be enabled by default or disabled by default. You may check if you are installing the new version of WhatsApp. So dear viewers, this is all about the new feature that has been launched in WhatsApp in this month of November 2020. So dear viewers, please comment on my this video. See you with the next video. Pakistan Zindabad.